So today we are going to learn about some basic rule of chess that no one talks about, but you should know them. So let's get started. Castling. When the king and the rook exchange their position, the king moves to the right side or the left side 2 squares and the rook jumps over the king and comes to the other side of the king. Castling happens in the right, which is the short side, and the left, which is the long side castling. Castling restrictions. First, the king should not be in check. Second, the king should not have moved. Third, the rook should not have moved. And fourth, there should be no piece in between the king and the rook. Pawn promotion. Pawn promotion suggests that when the pawn reaches the other side of the board, it can be converted into one of the 4 pieces, a queen or a rook or a bishop or a knight. Checkmate. When the king does not have any safe square to go and he is in check, that position is called as checkmate. Stalemate. When the player does not have any legal moves to play and his king is not in check, that position is known as stalemate. En Passant. It is a situation when the pawn moves 2 steps in the starting and land directly next to the enemy pawn. Then the enemy pawn can capture diagonally and move ahead. When the player is in a losing position and he doesn't want to continue the game, the player can quit the game and call it a resign. The 50 move rule suggests that a player can claim a draw if neither of the player captured any pieces or moved their pawn in the past 50 moves. It is totally optional and the player can continue the game if they want to. Touch to move suggests that the player has to move the piece they have touched. They cannot move any other piece. No talking rule suggests that you cannot talk while playing the game as it disturbs the decorum of the game. The only word you can say are check, draw or adjust. Recording moves. Recording moves suggest that you have to record, you have to write the moves you are playing on a piece of paper in the tournament. Threefold repetition. Threefold repetition suggests that when the players repeat the same position 3 times in a game, that is considered as draw. So these are some basic rules of chess that you should know. I hope you understood all of the rules. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dhyan Chess Academy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.